right, problem number 1 on practice exam number 2 for our Unit 3 test. Of course, there are review problems on this test, and I want to begin with the first one, which is problem number 1. So we want to know which object is going faster, object A or object B. Let's compare. So the rise here is 1 and the run is -2, versus here where the rise is 1 and the run is -3. So it looks like A is moving faster. And let's go ahead and calculate that. So for VA, I'm going to use 2 points. I'll say right here, so I have at 3 seconds A is at 0. And yeah, so here at 3 seconds A is at the 0 mark. And at 0 seconds it's at the -9 mark. So let's get its velocity as 0 minus -9, that's the rise, over the run, which is 3 minus 0, and that gets me a velocity of 3 centimeters per second. Now let's go ahead and calculate a similar number for object B. So for B, we have a starting position of 10 centimeters at 0 seconds. And then it looks like at 5 seconds, I just thought I'd pick that as a number, it makes it to 0. So its slope is going to be 0 minus 10 over 5 minus 0. And that gives us a velocity of -2 centimeters per second. Excellent. Now we want to know the displacement of each object after 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and calculate that now. So after 2 seconds, let's see. We see that object B is at a position of 6 centimeters. So its displacement is going to be 6 minus 10 for B. And that's going to give us a displacement of -4. Because remember, it's final position minus initial position. For object A, let's do something similar. At 2 seconds, it ends up at the -3 centimeter mark. So for object A, we're going to say the final position is -3 minus -9, and that gives us a displacement of 6, and that is a positive 6 centimeters. Finally, we're going to plot the velocity in the graph below. So the velocity of object A is a full positive 3 centimeters per second. That's for A. And for object B, its velocity is -2 centimeters a second. So we'll go ahead and plot that here. So that's the velocity of object B. So we have finished up problem number 1, and in the next video we'll take a look at problem number 2.